me targeting $100,000. I'm a Benjamin. So Uti Benjamin is still. I'm telling you, 100,000. I'm the two home. So you need to do everything possible to get to the 100,000. You bet to my head with Tikom. But this young man, your captain, went out, came back to fight for you. But we knew 10 times our baby back upon chicken TV. So you change. These are things you people need to understand. You don't see your other colleagues, fans are no more supporting England for doing those kind of things because they believe say every single person on that pitch wearing the English jersey is basically sacrificing their life. More time pa na muye yimu. More time pa and you are the fools that have to stop the stupidity you are putting out there. This team is a united team. After all these things, it's been a wonderful week. Yesterday was a wonderful day. We all were excited. We enjoyed the Black Stars. Kids, adults, old men, old women, every single person, every single Ghanaian. In fact, people who are not Ghanaians all enjoyed the Black Stars of Ghana. And we are very proud of the Black Stars. They are showing that they are a team to beat at this World Cup. And it's our prayer that the consistency, the belief, the togetherness in the Black Stars camp will keep yielding the results we've all wanted. And we are very much appreciative of the technical team, from the coach, the head coach, to the assistant coach, coaches, and also the goalkeeper coaches, the technical, the health department, the doctors, whoever made it possible for the Black Stars to get here. Also, thank you to the GFA. We have our own issues with the FA later. We will discuss that. Now we are in a very good mood, so we are not ready to discuss the Ghana Football Association. But at the end of the day, what we wanted the boys to do, they have done it. They have secured the 4 points. We need to do our best in our next game to make sure that we proceed, or we basically qualify for the next stage of the competition. And it's very, very important. We still have to stay focused. We still have to stay as a unit. We don't have to be too over-ambitious. We cannot also lose or drop our guts. We still have to concentrate. We still have to play to the tactics of the coach, lesson, discipline, and also work as a team. That is the only thing that can get us what we want as a nation, the Black Stars. And also, congratulations to the goalkeeper of the Black Stars. I'm talking about Benjamin Asare for winning $10,000 from me. And Ben, I see I come back games to the Oho. I know there are a few games to go. Didn't clean sheet and I said we know could have $100,000. A very, very impressive performance from the players. Every single person put out their best. For a very long time, we've missed a year. What we call the commitment when it comes to the Black Stars. But we are beginning to see a Black Star that is ready to work with us. Yeah, a Black Star that is ready to work with us. And we are all excited to have this Black Stars on our side. Okay, team, thank you very much. And that will be us. You're very excited with the Black Stars. You said the next game, no, God being so good. And apart from God being good to us, the performance we show. And I believe, Croatia, they understand, the Black Stars, no, and yet Team Ketua to beat. And we are hoping, on the 27th, the Black Stars will qualify. And that's all we want to see. All the players did very well, very, very well. From the defense, the two very solid defenders, wonderful players, Opoku and my own man, very, very solid defenders. Answering the World Cup, and say your problem with our defense because some of the defenders we relied on, or we have been relying on for some time now, injury or we were still very unsure of these our defense. But from the defense, you can see from the right hand, left, the center backs, you can see there was this coordination, playing to tactics, being disciplined, making sure you don't commit unnecessary fouls, pushing the game out of your penalty box. That is discipline. That is not just playing soccer. That is listening to your technical team, making sure you don't concede unnecessary, very dangerous fouls and all that. So you could see tackles where they realize that they try to usher the ball to where it is safe to tackle. And this is what you need to know when you ball to where it is safe to tackle. And this is what you need to know when you have a good coach, and also you have players who are willing to, at the end of the day, listen to their coach. And also, wonderful display of skill and of patience, and also experience by the almighty Partey. We all saw what Partey did on the pitch. He actually controlled what was behind him and what was in front of him. You could see he was directing defense and also directing Yurenchi and every single person who was playing on the left and the right ahead of him. And you can see experience actually played a very vital role. They needed leadership, and that leadership was brought on the pitch when it came to standing in front of the defenders and making sure everybody is in line. The captain also did his job, as usual. Most people who don't understand soccer would think the captain wasn't doing what he had to do. His assignment was to slow games down, hold the balls, and make sure that if you are playing this kind of tactics, you need a player who can hold, a player who can be a burden to defenders, not necessarily to be running defenders down or to be running on the flanks, to be making sure that 2 or 3 people are always on him to hold the team, to hold it. That is what you do. That is tactics. Unless you don't understand the game, unless you feel that every ball should be a ball where you have to run with it and you have to cross and all that. You are playing tactics. At the end of the day, you are not even thinking of going into the box of your opponent. So you need to understand, you make use of the little space you have just right in the center. And then if you're having a captain like Jordan coming in, receiving, holding, forcing opponents to commit fouls, taking the pressure off the team. These are technical things. So I want to say, you know, and these are some of the things we need to understand. And I mean, we say Jordan from na kwasi afu be good stands change. They don't understand what is really happening on the pitch. And I wouldn't pick one player out and say this player is better than this. No, this is a team. They understand Obia role. They respect Obia input, and that is what I like about the team. And you could see, say, they knew what they were doing. And so I would like to say, everybody yesterday, from the first game to the second game, they are showing commitment. In fact, 90% of you people watching me, head with Tikwa, most of you will die. But these are young men who have almost a baby, or my investment. They are putting their lives on the line. You bet my head with Tikwa. But this young man, your captain, went out, came back to fight for you. But we need 10 times upon check TV, so you change. And these are things you people need to understand. You don't see your other colleagues, fans are no more supporting England for doing those kind of things because they believe, say, every single person on that pitch wearing the English jersey is basically sacrificing their lives. Most of them standing there, they know you can die on the pitch. You think it's about tribe. You think it's about Nipa Wedia Metano. You think it's about, it is not about that. People can walk and do their things, but people sacrifice. They put themselves on the line. They put everything on the line. They work for fools like you, some of you people. It is sometimes, I am wanting the Amoyanase because majority of you people who got the opportunity to go to the stadium, I say Ponchim Mano. I say what these people are doing, you can do a bit of it. Yeah. So we need to understand people. We need to respect people when they put themselves on the line. You in conform about national team, omojina pitch so ewu eja omoyire ni omomba. Kwasiafo Jimmy bi na ama mu ticket na maba America na mu bi mu hu fin se mponche abegina change. Kwasiafo mo yesha mu jesi amotuma bobo no. And these are things we need to speak on. These are things we need to speak on. Say, when you're ready, say, say, park, so they are sacrificing for you fools. Some of you are, you will not understand these things. So footballers way echo inside dressing rooms, no the kind of hit on the pitch. You understand. And some of you people, it is all about where they are penasa, where they are michino, where they are nipapanti jano, where they mobile qualifier. Let me tell you, Jordan Ayew brought you people to the World Cup. Your qualifiers, African nations and World Cup. He scored 7 goals. He gave 7 assistants. For how many players on this planet can do that? We Messi, Ronaldo, to be yes, and ungrateful fools like some of you people sit in the stands and you think it is business as usual. For free match tickets na I buy when I buy papantra and I watch a ticket for 4 and giant some mumu stadium abegina. I buy when I buy papantra and a ticket no ya dia che munyan bi nka munyan be bring nka stadium. Come on to me, my America Stadium, membership ball, $700, $1,200 ticket. Come on to me, talk. So you people should appreciate when people put everything on the line to come and work for Ghana. Mumudu do a teacher for, Mumudu do a benjuma for, but it's office the Muriesika. These guys have to stand in the rain. People have to be heading people's heads. People have to get injured. Amount for you, no stands mo omakuma domu yem. Kankwasia for mo draws in koran draws na moshe. Kankwasia some because ebi mutirimu no ye moa inti entiasie. Now papa team no wabadia. Every good coach who would take over the Black Stars said Jordan Ayew bobo nkwadia, he will field him. It's a fact. Unless we Jimmy Ontebo ase. So I would like to say it does not matter who is giving the Black Stars jersey to wear and to fight for Ghana. I respect every single player. You who players from our Black Star Epra, our career and the Yentumambo Mubium and the Ehia Mugufi. People like you people cheered them on, they got injured and you ignored them. Nobody will sacrifice to play or to work for this country. And a lot of young people are out there, they are soccer players, they don't even want to play for Ghana because some of you people are hypocrites. Most of them want time. More time pa na muye yimu. More time pa and you are the fools that have to stop the stupidity you are putting out there. This team is a united team. This is a united team. Every single round will be by your pitch, so single support will be by your pitch, so all these things count. Jerry are coming about Black Stars prior, foolish people like you, and the one are usually going, but he was working for you, he was playing for you, he was sacrificing everything put everything on the line for you. Jerry are coming junior gogo, Black Stars benya stroke people put a lot on the line to work for you people. You're ungrateful bastards, some of you people. You don't reason. All that you think, yes, photo, they don't have home, they don't have feelings. The kind of nonsense you say about them. Sanka boys be brabo Ghana and come tiem ponchima te semo mumu bi nkwasiafo ano a ka Ghana nke enyo bi po manager Black Star jersey. Sa nkwasiade no. Sa nkwasiade no muntwa so no maba krom. Maba bebia nipate. My who fin rough, dirty people. Very dirty people. Yet the Jimmy Niko baby. Very dirty people. Look at the psychological trauma Partey ekum. Look at the kind of things some of these players, your players which in pitch they are having issues with their clubs. They are still talking to their managers, whether moving or not moving. Some of them, you think it's easy to psychologically pick yourself up, come stand here and play for Ghana. And Jimmy, you don't understand what national team means. You don't understand. Colombia for almost from minute 1 to minute 90. They don't care. What they know is at the end of the day, it's a tournament. Our players do what you can do. Muna munim bobo, yani bo, yedim she. Adena mumubi muyem krasi for sa. Chase munkwara brem ni akatu mutimu se nipa group we yempe omasem. And the hatred towards your captain. One of the finest players in the Black Star today is Jordan Ayew. What did the World Cup? No? In the history of Ghana, how many players did Tumasha consistently in qualifiers? About 7 goals, 7 assists to get you to the World Cup. Because therefore, you disrespect people. All because you're in front of Kwame Amwako. Because Jordan Ayew no, you're in front of Akwesi Amwako. Because you're in front of Kwame Bota. Because therefore, side no. Yen nyina na betima ye nipa baako. Yen nyina na betima ye the kind of bibia mo free. Ana na mo Jimmy sa. Why some of you people are stupid? Why mo manyo maybe a time? It's just disgusting. It's just disgusting. And so you better mo say ye di matem because mo bi mo Jimmy. And kasapa no mo kan mo ntiase anything e di matem no. Most of you are stupid. Do you think it's easy? Mumu bi Jimmy fu a mo start di boy chi sa matiti team. Mu player papa be na de kapra be fie. Mu kura mo ese nchichide ma mo so matiti team no. Mu player papa be na de kapra be fie. Player papa be na efri mu team mu nwan mu gina nkwase akeka. Mo no mu kan. Dirty creatures. Yenyina ba dey Philly. We are going to drive from DC to Philly. Yenyina be share ho. Enkwase asem no doso. And it's about time we started telling you people Say, mumu bimwe Jimmy. And let's understand. Every single person, original pitches or to bench, while ready to play for Ghana, their life is on the line. They can die on that pitch. Do you know that? CF4. Black Stars are here proud, and we are very proud. I'm very proud as a Ghanaian. And send a Black Star for it will be Drew Hano. Nipa bebre munim. Banyaminim how Black Stars got here. Ain't no person, no individual can take credit for a year how far Black Stars abedu. A Unyankopon and I was here done say any hard work and unity in camp. No individual. It is hard work and the will of God. Anything a Black Star abedu be no. It is no individual. In some of you people, go let's draw a crumple, you feel say you have won. That is how it is. It is hard work and Unyankopon his favor. It is sometimes the moment maybe I say, like I was talking about this young man, they said he did not shake Partey, Spencer or something. He's a nigger. He's a fucking black nigger. Man, can you walk up and Casa play? I mean, Tini did that. I watched the Premiership. I bet on the Premiership. That guy is a confused nigger. He's a very dirty nigger licking the butt of a white man thinking that he can stand out. Partey was playing with humans, not such a black fool who thinks he can. Partey is not guilty of anything until a court. That is legitimate proof that Partey is guilty of anything. So that reincarnated piece of shit acting as if he's more human than anybody, I will shake Partey. 99% of people on the pitch at the stadium did not know that nigger, that dirty nigger. Nobody knew him. 99% of the people, I did not know that guy. Even the Tottenham team, I've been watching them. This fool, I don't normally see him. So he's nothing for anyone to pay attention to. On your beer, people have to spend time on that. He looks sick to me. He looks very sick to me, very confused. And it's always the black man against the black man. It is always the foolish black man against a black man. It is always the stupid black man who wants to please the white man who does that stupid thing. The white man himself who is in charge of the team, that white man did not do that. But the foolish slave, the slave incarnate, the slave whose grandfathers and grandmothers were used to work for the queen for years as stupid people, he is the one coming to show that, my fellow black man. The question here is, who on that pitch yesterday was guilty of a crime? Nobody. So what was that? That is stupidity to the highest level of an African, pretending to be intelligent than himself. So that thing you did, I won't shake Partey. What did it bring to you? Does it make you better? You look like a rapist yourself. Does it make you even better? If people start to enter your closet, you standing there like a neem tree, do you think you survive it? These are dirty people. And these are people who prejudge people. They are judgmental. Nobody is saying that this happened or it did not happen. It's up to the court. It's up to the court to decide. So as far as we speak today, as far as we are playing the soccer in America, nobody can say Partey is guilty of any fucking crime. So what were you trying to prove there? Such a filthy individual. Very dirty guy. His mother is from Kenya. A dirty nigger like that. Spencer. You are a very cheap, dirty nigger. The white people will see you and they'll spit on you. Do you think the white guys you are in the same dressing room with, when you walk out, when you take a shower, they use the same shower? They see you as a dirty, filthy thing. They don't regard you. They smell you from far and they make faces behind you. You are just fortunate to be a nigger who is part of these whites to play for their country. If you give them the opportunity to select somebody to join them to play, they will not pick a nigger Spencer. No, they will never pick you because you are not one of them. The foolishness of a stupid African. Your mom is from Kenya. And you're acting as if you were shit. The queen shit you for them to clean you up to turn into a British-born idiot. Spencer is a fool. So nobody even knows you. If we don't know you, nobody knows you. Nobody knows you. None of the people who came to 99% of the people on the pitch, even the British themselves, lots and lots of them did not even know you. So don't think you are somebody anyone cares about. Nobody gives a shit about you, my friend. All right. Now,
told you,
and then you celebrate young recover. And so still, would to be Jimmy Benjamin Asare. 10,000 in the box. Hey, according to 10. Another game here be Benjamin Jim no sanya clean sheet 15,000. Now you qualified near next stage. Now Benjamin Esenya another clean sheet 20,000. Right now the 10,000 Yandoh easy. Say just kebia and should a big deal money bia. And me promise Benjamin say I'll give him 5,000 clean sheet. Now man for Kevin. So first game no na 45 minutes and yeah in Argentina now 25 man and between me and Benjamin. But so far on paper Benjamin $10,000 clean. Normal money and you echo 15 are still normal in our range. Echo 20 are still normal. Me target $100,000. I'm a Benjamin say Utminya all the games now. Inti Benjamin is still. I'm telling you, 100,000. I'm the two home. So you need to do everything possible to get to the 100,000. So far, when you're $10,000, it's very very impressive. Next game, no, Usanya another clean sheet, another 5,000. That's how it is, and I like you. Your humility, your faith, your belief in and how you have humbled yourself to get to this point. For life is for life. It is for life. You can't change for life. Yes, for life. I'm here to say, for life. I'm feeling too. Ben, oh, you're a hard guy, what? I soccer the elbow, BBTBC, but watch it. So I dive on. When someone dings, if you move board goes, I'm going near you, Ben. I'm out for make us say 5,000 a game. Now I'm just a media grow. But for life is for life. And so far, it's your we are saying who say, who say SM for Life is the biggest family in Ghana, the biggest family. And the Abrofuni shower, hey, for life. Oh, this is for life. Oh, this is for life. And I'm saying because she Abrofuni also, do you know, are you also for life? I'm also for life. Also, that's for life. We are all for life. Inti Benjamin the for life na kwenim. And the CEO of the for life family, the general, constable, general admiral, colonel, the almighty lieutenant staff commander Shatawale, it is becoming bigger and bigger. Abrofuni show, hello, it's for life. This is for life. Yeah. In this year, Abrofuni for life. Into what brandy at the end, all the ice not to so and yenyum so de. You are an international warrior, Benjamin Asare. Masa, the next one ma wonim bre sa na tie born bo. Memmo bia memfa bibia big deal bia sa dabi. So betima stretch and one stretch won't be so and what you be so we the name wording. Sa na tie the obeto do saka for saka. The other to me for saka rush will be assume no get a mistake referee sorry you know it is not me into referee who mobile no itwem. Sa na be na kakra gade ko enim. All right. So the air coso there na air coso ami hu ya the public concept team. Do we Coleman, good evening to Coleman. Team, I guess we have to move on. And me say a year me hu video be of Paul Yandoh na okachre a year I don't know what a year Amwako hine the Ashanti regional minister e dia year MPP4 Asante Memu. MPP4 you people know say aban papa we are all happy. You people cannot fight it. For some reason Ghana for they be na Black Stars Kobobo, whether World Cup or African, are more political. But this is the first time I will say Ghana for are not politicized in your soccer. No, I'm talking about majority of Ghana for. And you can see that people genuinely want to be Ghanaians for once. People genuinely love the Black Stars, irrespective of Nipa Obo. Some stupid tribal goats in Ponchimban kitin TNT a Jimmy 4 group be, but majority osha a crony mood na. It is more of a patriotic attitude towards the Black Stars than people making it about way, play away. It's very interesting. But I name I say, osha was so MPP for partner enjoy a Black Stars World Cup you. Na pomune MPP for me who Mickey Mouse. The name here na no fiance Sasko fan stand. MPP for kuku damejan kwasi aforo fe no nyina begu America because NDC abama ticket na e free. Inti MPP for mesi de mumanya makakra. MDC is not selective. And the MPP for na enjoy more with this World Cup. Constance nim kohwe en kwasiafo no mokase tia John Mahama ejimi fo mba o ma yese mebe emuntientia se nkokohwe de ayese motiamba omo no mudidi John Mahama atem e kan kwasiasam kire se ye di atem MPP na opa no ene sam ponche ma na ejegina stadium MPP fo na ende omo no mo enjoy mpo e chen NDC fo. It shows this government is not selective. It shows to say we are here for every single person to enjoy the Black Stars. And nobody stands ma MPP for bebree. And it is not say intimidation ma wusum to say na MPP for me nipa na mo yam punching. Upon all the things you are seeing, enjoying the World Cup, being proud as a Ghanaian. Still MPP for be fear no mu jimi omo because one video be of Paul Yandoh. And the video na is saying, share this is a whole regional director, MPP communication. And it's funny. Paul Yandoh
na say interchange
na wo MPP ni amechi wo say wo te interchange na say wo hebi no
wo se dey
he mo no ade aye koso no mu nya hu e ho ye risky area o amakoyin TV no e mo MPP ni bi anko hebi o
dey asem na aka no
e ma obi anko tena ho say okohe amakoyin TV na wo di abo ho no what you say e ho ye risky area ka bi betime ana mo checking you mo checking here ade o ye no me stopping no
and then mama ye nyina ye nko me no nya
me ko trase na ka bi metwi mfa me so
ndi wo woni a woni party members say ma party
ma bia nko hwe agmako hini TV na me ka me se amako hini TV de ma party ni bia nko wa me.
The problem with the problem with the MPP is say I'm not giving Paul Yandoh the attention, but sometimes you ask yourself, say, are these people okay? Like Ebiano Diagro, but we have seen Paul Yandoh for a long time. That's this kind of communication, the comedy kind of communication. But sometimes you ask yourself, say, do you think anybody will walk to the ballot because of this kind of communication? Do you think anyone will go to the ballot and say, because I'm MPP because Asama are okay? Are they okay? This is what happened in Kumasi. The young people in Kumasi, this is what the Ashanti regional minister did. Hundreds and thousands of young people in Kumasi got the opportunity to come together to cheer their national team on, to be happy and proud young Ghanaians. There are some of them in Kumasi, they want to get to the level of Black Star players. This is an inspiration to them. This is a form of inspiration. There's a young boy, 12 years, 15 years, 13 years, 16 years, watching the Black Stars on the screen. Ashanti Regional Minister, inspiration. It brings us together. For once, can't we put our stupid MPP politics aside? I know Paul Yandoh is not a serious person. Paul Yandoh, why is it remote? We all understand. Paul Yandoh, the authority remote. So one from Bowen Sem Kakra, Opresia, and Co. But at a point, this is what he's speaking against. So these and many more I see Ashanti region and Ebuakwa, Ebisi, other regions, Oba Ashanti region, regional minister. May I have a question and say, how can we reason with such people? How can we even meet them at a point and say, they don't have it. They are not reasonable enough to even reason with. They don't understand what satire is. They don't understand what serious politics is. They don't understand what serious conversation. They are people, they are not humans. So when do we meet you people to say, when do you people be, when are you going to be humans? When is the NPP going to be humans? Like, I'm not forcing you to support the Black Stars or anything, but at a point, ye Jimmy kakra ni jai, na ye serious kakra. Yasre kakra ni jai, na ye serious. That is what it's supposed, that's how it's supposed to be. But it's a mudi I said debia mo pese ye Jimmy, debia na Jimmy ni team. It just say you pese mo Jimmy kwan ma na twe ne ho kakra. This is the World Cup, guys. Mumpenifo a mudidi manim nyina omanya free ticket to World Cup ni bi. Can't you people admit to say we are at a point where at least the monkeyism is too much, MPP. The monkeyism, mama monkeyism ni nyini de bia na mo feed monkeyism no. Because adrena timu mu no. Se mo ama adu ne aduane a obewu afiri mu mo betuma bedane nipa bede se NDC fo but de bia na mo fidi adwe no ede na mo di fidi adwe no Jimmy menti ase ye mpene mama ne nkoso ye ka se bedwene party ye nti ase de bia na mo fidi adwe no wo mu enti the monkeyism in you cannot allow you people to even be patriotic for once. Just say Jimmy ni temu se mampon hina bomu enti edu sometime mo me ho kwan na adwe na we mu na Jimmy ye no ye nja ni fidi kakra. Let's starve the monkeyism in us. MPP for Jimmy ni adwe na tie mu ye man e common kire adwe na onwu free ho. Why? What is all this? It's disgusting. Now, all these things.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.